Before we start your session po today, mga kinig po, grade 1. Grade 1, are you listening to Teacher Kenneth? Okay. Bago po tayo mag-start, ay huwag po natin hahawakan yung mga bagay na madaling masira po. For example po, ang ating volcanic eruption, huwag po natin hahawakan yung mga volcanic eruption natin. Second one, kapag may mga experiment po tayo, for example, may mga fire, huwag po tayo masyadong malapit sa table. Is it okay po? Grade 1, are you listening? Kapag po, huwag po masyadong malapit sa table. And let po yan ate assist you kung ano yung experiment po na yon. Nakikinig po ba? Okay. Grade 1, are you ready? Okay. For our station 1, we have volcanic eruption. Look at what ate we're gonna do at the volcanic eruption. After that, pwede na po tayong pumuntang kila Teacher Nate, Teacher Jonah for some experiment po.
Jake, pila.
Grade 1, you follow Teacher Jenny. We have here station 3. We have the tornado in the jar and static electricity. For those who want to look at static electricity, we have here in front. And also, we have here the planets of the solar system.
Asha! Dito ko kasi. Here! You can go here! I cannot see it.
Huwag po tayo masyadong malapit sa ating volcanic eruption.